Donna AI versus Suno AI. Let's get started. So Donna AI is a mobile-first app that lets non-musicians generate full songs, vocals, lyrics, and instruments via prompts or presets with weekly credit plans. It offers a great songs fans. It's also fast and some sound professionally done, and you can churn out an album a week. It also has a smooth mobile UI, which is intuitive and fast, and they also have a wide range of genres and vocal styles. Now, Suno AI, on the other hand, is a web-based studio-grade music tool offering text-to-music lyrics, mixing, stems, styles, and visuals with a free tier and premium subscription. It offers a studio-level quality for vocals, lyrics, mixing, stems, and art. They also have a free tier, which is free 50 credits a day or 10 songs a day. Makes it very accessible and continual improvements. They also have an active community provided with edit and features. So, in conclusion, well, Donna AI is if you want a fast, fun music generation on mobile. And then choose Sono AI if you want studio grade music and with lyrics, vocals, and stem editing.